Today we are going to ride kite and Debrigarh. This point called ride kite towards Zero Point. Early morning 5:30, 25th December 2022. Sun has not risen fully. Briefly this mist, this water, the sky and mist revealing each and wander to the side.
सिल्की पहलवान
Now
recording
safari, we will start safari. Vehicle is ready. Silky.
सिल्कीटा उठाले 1400 ही है
Everybody is getting up to the vehicle. We'll go to the jungle safari, Debrigarh, by this vehicle.
चलो
It is a 12-seater, 4-seater and 8-seater are
आगाडे जाऊ
available.
बसले सर
It
नाही आपण
costs
बसले नाही
around 200 to 500 per person.
हे काय सब समान आहे
You can book online. Arvind is in the pilot seat,
सर आके बोले असो
and
Madam,
now
आके बोले असो
we will enter into the jungle,
मोठी आहे मॅडम आके बोले असो
explore Debrigarh. Now we have entered. First look up the jungle. If you are a nature lover, then this place is a cylinder, a factory of oxygen for you. Pure oxygen, trees, cool air. You can see roads are dogged because the water from mountain will not destroy the road. Directly it will not destroy. So for the roadside, both side, a little bit digging has been done. You can see it. And at some places salts are put so that this is the water body just alongside the road. Animals come here to drink, and if you are thirsty, then you can give some of them.
दादा स्लो करो
Deep jungle. We have spotted one peacock here, a lone peacock.
नाही चोर आवाज रे
Staying
पळाला
by the roadside. Here, no vehicle is even on. All horns are removed. This is a wild boar loitering alone in search of food early morning. Wild boar. Small but a powerful creature. As I was saying, salt are put at some places so that all grass eating animal will take salt to make balance of their metabolism. Slowly moving ahead in the jungle, we will move up to the watchtower, and again the vehicle will return. Early morning, sun has started coming. Suddenly we see that a group of wild boar are taking rest in the road, on the road itself. As we cannot blow horn, we have to stroll ahead slowly and slowly. They are not in a position to compromise the basking in the sunshine. So it is a moral battle between the boar and us. but as we are running short of time, we have to move ahead, as we have to cover the safari within 3 hours. Went away to the forest and we moved ahead. Just ahead, we could see another peacock, a big peacock. Hiding itself behind a tree, and when we pointed him out, slowly going away. You can see his tail, it is almost 4 feet, 3-4 feet long. Peacock, beautiful. These peacock are different from the peacock kept in the zoo. Their sign is different, their walk is different. We can see some animal here. Perhaps sambar, 3 sambars, one small one. Beautiful place, Debrigarh. You can stay here, cottages are there, you can book online. But as the staff was telling, best time is in April, when the water body will be getting dried. Animal will come more and more from the jungle to drink water. 35 kilometers from Sambalpur, this place Debrigarh, and another 13-14 kilometers in the safari. Jungle. It is told that one Royal Bengal tiger is spotted here just 15 days back, and 2 or 3 group of visitors have already seen him. Perhaps it has come from nearby forest. One sambar is gazing fresh grass in the early morning. It is around 8 o'clock. If you are a nature lover, then this forest is just in your back door. As I told before, this deer is different from the deer of zoo. They are taking their food from the natural habitat, and they look different, they act different. Bisons are there, so many variety of animals are there in the forest, but we can see only 3 or 4 till now. But my friends, those who have visited earlier, they have seen more variety. There are peacock are patrolling the road, 2 big size peacock. Another one just ahead. looking gorgeous. Some snaps at the boat center. This is the pockmark of this Royal Bengal tiger. We could locate some snaps. It's a beautiful place to take photograph. Peacock, look how it looks. Some group photo. It's a beautiful place here. Group photos. Wild boar basking. Deers. Mayor sir and madam looks beautiful with this background. Myself. This is the platform where boats are launched. Beautiful. We are watching the water from the surface. In another hour, when we will be leaving the forest, we will be in the water and we will be watching the surface from the water. I will post it in the next video. Everywhere water, miles and miles up. Clean, pure water, pack water of here. See how beautiful it looks. It's a feeling of a different kind. It is the watchtower. You can take photograph. Red tea are available at the rate of Rs10 for some biscuits you will also get. And from this place you have to take the reverse journey. Let me jump into the water now.